And just like that, I'm back. This is Lolan the Ghostin' here. And today is Fish Friday. I'm trying something a little different today. I'm gonna fry some flour, some cornmeal, breadcrumbs before I coat my fish. I want you to check it out. And this is the only thing I'm using. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And all you gotta do is go here to the GhostLoveMusicAndCooking.com and get you some. Now before we do that, boys and girls, let me tell you. Now you know how I do things. I don't mess your things when I cook. I just sprinkle a little bit of this and a little bit of that until I hear my mama whisper. That's enough, Lolan, and I'm done with it. So today, we're frying that fish, and I want you to comment on what you think, okay? Yeah. Now, this is what I'm doing. The type of fish I got, I've got mullet, tilapia, and I'm throwing some shrimp in now, boys and girls. So I want you to just enjoy it because I'm going to show you something different today. Look, check it out. These are the coatings that I'm using in my grease. That Three Rivers is some good stuff. Now, you know I love music. Can you hear that music back there? Self-rising flour. And my breadcrumbs. Yes. Now, what I'm going to do is in my grease here, I'm going to throw about a half a stick of butter. Look. Oh, that's the sound I'm looking for. I'm going to put some flour in there. Yeah. And let the OJs groove. Look at that. You know, normally you would coat the fish first. But this is different here, boys and girls. I'm always different. Actually, you can't pay me to just be like everything else. I can't do it. I'm just that type of guy. So let me put some of this Three Rivers cornmeal in there. Oh, Lord. Woo! I'm going to throw a little bit more of that Three Rivers. That Three Rivers is some good stuff. My sister, Maylee Ghostin, turned me on to that Three Rivers. And bless her soul, she's gone now, but she left a great legacy around in Georgia. I put a little bit of this and a little bit of that. That's all I needed. So you better get your bottle. What I'm going to do is take it and stir it in. Oh, Lord. Now, I'm going to put that mullet fish in here first. Look at that, boy, girl. Woo! Oh, man. Put a piece of tilapia. Try to make it even, okay? I'm gonna throw some shrimp in there. Let it settle down a little bit. Excuse me for a second, boys and girls. I wanted you to hear that grease, fry that mullet, and that tilapia fish. Come on, boys and girls, look. Woo! Look at that. Can you hear it, boys and girls? Can you smell it? Wow, wow, wow. Oh, God. And I'm going to be back to shove it down your throat. Don't you go nowhere. And just like that, that mullet fish, tilapia, shrimp, it's ready, boys and girls. And the only season I used was a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You got to get you some of this, boys and girls. You got to get you some. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Now, look, boys and girls, look. I got it in my chin for you. Ah, yeah. Now, don't forget, I put my flour in first. Then I put my fish in. Tried it different. Hope you like it too. But now, this is the part of the show, boys and girls, where I'm about to shove some down your throat. Are you ready? Here we go. Which one you want first, the mullet or the tilapia? Tilapia? Okay, I heard you. Here, take it, boys and girls. Take your bite. Take a bite of that. Oh, this is good. Oh, God. Okay, now for the mullet. Oh, that mullet's something there. Do you know anything about this mullet, boys and girls? Look at that. Oh, take a bite, boys and girls. Take a bite of that mullet. Oh, God. It's good. Well, shrimp. Here. Be careful. So be careful with that shrimp. It's so delicious. That mullet just fried up so pretty and brown. Look at that. Look how crispy it looks for you, girl. Look. Oh, oh. Get it on, get it on. And just like that, happy fried flour. You heard it from me first. Well.